come plan with me using Rongrong's Adventurous Collection. Hi, I'm Katie, your teacher from the Planner School. Let's start off with stickers from the Wanderlust and Big Fashion sticker books. I chose a jungle and animal print theme so that we can pull stickers from both books. Step 2 in my decorating process is to choose some washi tape that matches with our theme. So let's start off with this really cute pink, kind of animal print looking washi tape from the fashion sticker book. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on each, a little bit on the left page and a little bit on the right page in no particular position. I just want to use it kind of decoratively. So on the right, it'll kind of represent our weekend, and on the left will be in the column where we kind of plan out our week. Step 3, I like to choose some box stickers, and that might mean large box stickers, column stickers, decorative boxes, or blank boxes that you can write on, or even boxes that have lines in them. I just like to put a placeholder in my decorative routine to choose some boxes. So here I'm choosing some appointment boxes, some today boxes, meetings, a large box for the weekend. And as you can see, I'm putting the boxes in different places. They don't have to be straight within your space. You can make them decorative. Next, I'm gonna grab one of these animal print decorative stickers to place behind my next box. Remember, you don't have to do things in a specific order. It just helps me to stay on track. Step 4, I like to use checklists or bullet points to delineate where I will be writing things in my planner. I also like to make sure to leave at least one box each day for writing space. After checklists and bullet points, sometimes I'll add in some column headers like this shopping sticker or other functional stickers. Step 5 is the most fun part, which is adding in your decorative stickers. Don't be afraid to grab some of these very large stickers. You can always layer a box on top of it or use an arrow to use a different blank area in your planner if you need to write something in on that day. I also love to finish off every planner spread with a quote of some kind. I love having inspirational quotes in my planner to keep me positive and inspired to get things done. I'm finishing off this planner spread with a few more decorative stickers in that jungle theme. I like to put decorative stickers generally in the corners of the spread, and I also love to layer them as well. So here I'm going to layer this floral sticker over this box. You can layer over or under. I love how it looks either way. And then I'm finishing off with this little animal print purse up on the left. Check out the description box to get the link to shop all of these products, and don't forget your coupon code TPC10 for 10% off your order.